And open.
Turn this upside down.
Hello all, and welcome back to the Salty Safe Cracker. I am Josh, and in this video we are repairing the safe I opened in the previous video, which I will attach in the description. First, we take off the back cover, and here we've got the mechanism, and you can see this solenoid is responsible for securing the entire safe. It's also the defeat method. That hole allows me to put a small tool in and depress the solenoid. Once depressed, I just turn the handle and the safe is open. Moving forward, we've got a zoomed out view of the mechanism. To repair it, we will take off the old lock, which includes a key bypass as well as the electronic solenoid mechanism. And that will expose the hole we drilled in the previous video. Now, to plug this hole, there are multiple methods. We could use a two-part epoxy with ball bearings, but for simplicity and ease of use, I just use these stainless steel plugs from Keydex, which are just slightly larger than the diameter of the hole, which in this case was a 1/4 inch. To customize it to the safe, we simply run it through, mark the length, and trim to fit. This process can involve multiple measurements, as the pin can be restricted in its ability to get all the way through by the other mechanisms in place. So rather than take that all apart, I just take it stepwise. Once at an appropriate length, we just use a hammer to make sure that it is a tight fit. This ensures that the bolt will not come loose and will prevent people from accessing it in the future. Finally, a little trim just to make sure everything is flush will allow us a smoother mount of the new locking mechanism, which, as you can see here, has a cute little key override, which just pulls the entire solenoid out of alignment, allowing operation of the safe. Once the mechanism is reinstalled, all that's left to do is reconnect all of the wires so that operation can be returned to the safe. Unfortunately, in the case of this particular safe, it was not the mechanism you're watching me replace that was faulty. It was the entire system. So even after repairing and putting everything back together, the combination no longer operated the safe. Reached out to the manufacturer to let them know so that they could send out additional replacement parts to return the safe to functioning. That said, now he has keys and can use the safe, just not as originally was intended. Currently, we're about 2 weeks out of recording this video. I still have not heard from the manufacturer as far as returning to install additional parts to return the safe to function. Regardless of the final outcome, I enjoyed working on the safe and I've enjoyed sharing the process with you. I'm gonna close and say adieu with a brief clip to and from the safe. Thanks for watching.